Let's get started, shall we? So I'm going to be reviewing the Sensational Butta Lace unit. This one's their human hair blend unit. Right here. Sensational was kind enough to send this one over to me. This was the Loose Deep 24. I have it in this mocha shade. I'm ready to get to it and see what we're working with, because I've watched reviews. And that's all I'm going to say. I just want to see, you know, things work differently for people. And I think the wig community hasn't been a big fan of this one. Simply because it doesn't look like the stock card is what I've heard a lot. And, you know, even if it doesn't look like the stock card, we're going to make some shape today. We're going to try our bestest, okay? So let's see. This is what the wig looks like coming out of the packaging. This is a right side parted wig. It's giving more of like a little V shape here, so you can add a little bit of plucking, maybe readjust the parting space just a little bit with the parting space, the lace that you get. It also has some baby hairs that are already on the wig. I'm thinking that this one is supposed to be pre-plucked. Pre-plucked is their claim. Yeah, pre-plucked with baby hairs, natural full density, ear lace, 5-inch deep hand tight parting space, blends with most skin tones, virtually undetectable HD lace, full body movement. So let's see what we're working with, y'all. If I'm being 100% honest, it's giving good vibes. Like, I'm not getting like a bad feeling from it. So we'll see once I actually get it put on though, because it looks beautiful out of the packaging. I'm gonna tint this lace a little bit. I use the color medium brown when I tint my lace. It comes out of that packaging real tight. Like, these curls are tight. So y'all can see, you see that like they're tight, but I feel like this still has potential to be real cute. Like, that's not making me run from it at all. My goal today is to wear this wig glueless. I do think I'm going to need to pluck this out a little bit over here. It just looks too full for my liking, so I'm gonna just do just a little something. That's cute. The little baby hair made it look good. That looks cute. Let's add just a tad bit of makeup over here. I'm trying to mimic it to make it look like the models. You see, like, because her side kind of falls down versus it being pushed back. See, like, I don't know. I gotta play with it. See what we get. I did go off camera. I really tried my best to brush and pull these curls out of here, but they are not falling. They may fall over time, but I don't know. I'm just gonna add some makeup to my parting space. Right there. I was hoping for more of a, you know, like this, like that. You see, it is giving when it's pulled. It looks so much, you know, it looks better. I just wish I would have got the length that's shown on the stock card, but the color and the style is still pretty. I was just going for more of that longer vibe, you know what I mean? And the curls, I just need them to fall. So I feel like you gotta figure out like some type of stretch method if you get this unit, like something that'll pull these curls out some and just make them hang, have your hang time a little bit longer. The density of this wig is really good though. I did pluck it out just a little bit because I felt like it needed a little bit of plucking, just to kind of, you know, thin out that hairline. Baby hairs are very cute that were added and were given on this wig. It takes heat really well. You know, I flattened out the roots with my hot comb. Overall, what would I rate this wig? I would probably rate it about like a 7 out of 10. It's cute, but it's not my favorite. I just think that, you know, these really tight curls are not doing what I want them to do, because when you know, when you see the wig, you see the packaging, you see the advertisement for it, you want to get what you see in front of you, and I don't feel like I'm getting that. I feel like I'm getting more short. I'm not getting the length, and I'm a girl who loves her long hair, so I just would have really liked if this wig would have been as long as it shows on that card. But I think all of this pulling that I've done has definitely helped. You know, possibly adding some heat to it could make a difference. I'm gonna pull it, kind of make a bang situation, maybe, you know, just pull it behind the ear maybe. I don't know. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. It's not bad looking whatsoever, like at all. And I would still say try it out, because, you know, this style, like with the length, could really work for you. Some people would look at this and be like, wow, I still think this is really cute. So still try it out. Like, there's no bad blood about it. It's just a little bit shorter, a little bit tighter on the curl section, but it's still cute though. So thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you to Sensational for sending over today's unit, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.